Start moving cars around. All right. Tommy, what are we doing?
I'm pulling off valves. What are you doing?
I'm doing a video. Today we're gonna put these wheels, the WRC Enkei tarmac forged. I believe this is 17 by 8 plus 35. Putting this Falcon Azinis tires 215, 45, 17, along with this Fortune Auto coilovers. Cool beans. Bam. 2 down. Good and tight.
Good and tight.
Tommy, how was it?
I'm trying to make it work. There we go.
We're done. We just need to bend this right here so we can put this on, because this thing is going to this way. It has to be like this. But done. Tighten up. You got the lugs? Lug nuts?
I got some here.
I just need 2. I can't see shit.
Or back first.
Don't matter. Tommy, thanks a lot for helping me install the coilovers. I appreciate that. What turned into 2 hours turned into much longer.
11 minutes.
Setting it up, lifting it up, lowering it, checking it, setting it. But it's all worth it. Till next time. Thank you so much, guys. Bye. Peace.